down to the 10-minute vlog. 1 week. I sleep with earplugs. On my way to walk a dog. This is the good boy. Just made a poopo. This is very nice. There's a really nice view here of Miami. We'll get there in a second. Beginning of Memorial Day weekend. So you know it's gonna be lit. Yeah, let's practice the zoom. The 15 Pro Max zoom. That ain't bad. For the fact that I'm this far away. It's a pretty good zoom. All I wanna do is zoom, 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 zoom. Leo! You are such a good boy. Oh! Thing is, I've been trying to get up earlier because I want to be more of a morning person. I know it takes 21 days to develop a habit, so I'm working on it. It's been maybe 7 days. I've been up at 8 every day this week. This is just a few minutes outside in the Florida heat. That's all sweat. I can't complain. I'm blessed. Oh, the geyser move. Do you guys know about the geyser move? This is the thing. Shout out Paul. I taught him. So basically what we do, I call it the geyser move because that's when I knew I was getting older, is to put on my seatbelt. I've noticed I started going like this and it's like, oh, it's hard. So I assist my elbow with my other hand and I go like this. You see that? Oh, it's easier now. And I call that the geyser move. So now I'm on my way back home. I'm known as the dog walker in my building. Ooh. Ooh. Juicy. A juicy double. Ooh. All right, let's go. Nah, dog. I don't want any part of this. I just want my walk. Anyways, this is Windsor. Windsor, he's a good boy. We're about to go on a walk. Windsor, what are you doing? Beautiful day. Woo. God, I'm sweating so much. Windsor. It's a little bit of a danger zone right now. They're usually a lot better about cutting the coconuts. But I'm pretty sure more people die from coconuts falling on their head than from shark accidents. I love Florida so much. Even though I'm sweating every day, I'd rather be sweaty than cold. Ooh, quads. Windsor Cam. Windsor. Oh, it's so handsome. It's so handsome. Oh my God, you're so cutie. Welcome to Miami. Bienvenido a Miami. Party in the city where the heat is on. But for real though, the weather was so nice and cool. Like the coolest winter we've had. But this May has been so hot. It's actually the hottest on record so far. Woo. Hello, vloggy vlog.
You moved this one? This is
I'm at an Airbnb of my friends. Look at your ass over here. Oh!
Oh, that's right. That's my ass.
That's gonna be the
Did it look good?
the little screenshot. And her sister. Woo! And it's so awesome because I feel like I get to explore Miami when people visit, so it's gonna be an epic day and also an epic weekend. So woo!
We're gonna have some fun.
And we're very hungry, so
hungry.
ceviche time. Yeah.
Ceviche.
Oh, and I'm gonna do
And
the
more.
tiny little tour of their Airbnb because it's very cute. Okay.
Show it.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh yeah. Let's see that. Oh, look, it's a big mirror. Hello. Hello. Oh, cuties. And it's very hot. Very hot outside. Very hot. We will burn, but that's all right. Wow. We're in Coconut Grove, so very lush and beautiful. I just had lunch at the most amazing restaurant. It's killing the vibe, but it's peacock and mermaid theme. Let me show you. What a vibe. Look how nice. Only 5 months. So delicious. Peruvian food, highly recommend. Wow. how nice. And they're my girls. I'm doing the vloggy vlog. Yeah. Hey girl, hey. Cheers. Cheers to Miami. My girls.
Right.
Ooh.
That's my sister. That's my sister.
I'm back from fun times with my friends. Time to walk this one again. Majestic floofer. Outfit check. Comfy. Look at them quads. I just walked this cutie real quick. I just changed and gotta go because I'm gonna on a boat. I don't think I've been to Bayside in years. We're waiting to get on the boat, so catch you on the boat.
Hello everyone, hola a todos.
Woo!
Bienvenidos a bordo en el Bay Ride. ¡Woo, woo, woo! Nuestra tripulación consiste en nuestro querido capitán Alejandro. Abajo tenemos aquí como bartender. A su mano izquierda van a ver este edificio color blanco redondeado. Today I think they have a Bad Bunny concert. Café Antonio Bandera. Podemos ver a veces en sus motos de agua.
I think it's ours. I have a good zoom. Courtney, look, it's a good zoom. Yeah. I think it's statues. But really cool, yeah.
Dude, I don't know. You never know.
Did he or he didn't? I'm pretty sure he did.
Esta color crema con el techo naranja. En el 2020 solamente costó 40 millones. Le pertenece a la famosa cantante, bailarina y actriz Jennifer López. ¡Woo! This is the biggest property in Star Island. What you see in front of us is just the garden. Esta es la propiedad más grande. Estos son los dueños Philip y Patricia Frost, los dueños de IMAX, también conocidos como la milagrosa píldora azul, o better known guys as Viagra, mejor conocida como el Viagra.
They want money for that.
They look like the White House. You know what that looks like?
Mommy. Ooh, baby.
He used to sing this song long ago. Obviously he's dead. Aquí se puede imaginar el tamañazo que tiene esta mansión. Okay, chicos. And the last mansion of our Star Island. La última mansión de nuestra isla estrella. You're gonna start to see a white mansion with a big white columns. That was used to make the movie Scarface. With Al Pacino as Tony Montana. Hello, my little friend. Somebody else I want with. Divide la ciudad en dos. A su mano izquierda tenemos Brickell, el distrito financiero, y a su mano derecha tenemos Miami Downtown. Second biggest building over here in Miami City is made from Aston Martin.
Gasolina, dame más gasolina. Gasolina, dame más gasolina.
You're so cuddly. You're so sweet. I'll know. Oh, I'm thirsty. Okay.
Okay, bye. See you tomorrow.